What's up, Cyberverse? Have you ever heard this sound before? I'm going to have to apologize to the documentary makers on the trail of UFO's dark sky, because I know exactly what this sound is. What about now?
Canada, United States, Ukraine, Brazil, Mexico, Japan. The same sound, the same vibration.
Are nearly as widespread as sightings of Mothman or UFOs.
I know exactly what it is, and in my next video, I will show you and tell you exactly what it is. Without a doubt, I know what this sound is. Have you ever heard it before?
Anybody hear this weird shit?
It will absolutely freak you out if you've ever heard it.
So what are you hearing? Well, we don't really know, but similar sounds have been recorded in other parts of BC and reported in other locations around the world.
Can you hear that noise? What is that? Smell. What? It's coming from the sky.
It's extremely powerful, and it took me a long time to figure out what I was dealing with. It's not a UFO. Sorry to this documentary. Watching this trailer for this thing, for this documentary, and it's the sound I heard. Now I know exactly what it is. What up now?
Oh my God!
Extremely powerful thing. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever heard that sound before.
What is that?
What is that noise, man?
If you want to know what that is, tune in to my next video. I know without a doubt what it is.
What the hell is that shit? It's making the dogs go crazy. Light it up now.
What is that?
What the hell is that shit? It's making the dogs go crazy.